Hi, welcome back to another how-to and easy do-it-yourself dog treat video here at WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a simple, limited ingredients, and a new fan favorite, our cheddar cheese biscuits for your four-legged ones. So grab them, a pad and pen, a few quick instructions, and we'll be well on our way. Let's go. Here's everything you'll need today for today's easy do-it-yourself dog treat video. We're going to be using any type of flour, rolling pin, your rolling board. We're going to need a 1 tablespoon for your vegetable oil, a half a tablespoon for your cheddar cheese powder, 1/3 cup measuring for your beef broth, and a fork to puncture the bones to give air when baking and it doesn't bubble up on you. Also need a mixing bowl, your choice of cookie cutters. We're doing a multi-press to make things go faster. Here's our cheddar cheese powder. Any beef broth, either low or no sodium, and our vegetable oil. Let's get started. I measured out our flour to 1 cup and quarter. We're gonna put that in our mixing bowl. Now we're gonna grab our beef broth and do 1/3 cup. Pour that in. Next, we're going to grab our tablespoon with our vegetable oil, and we're going to carefully pour in 3 tablespoons. Next, we're going to get our powdered cheddar cheese and do a half a tablespoon and pour that right on top. Optional, I'm using a rubber glove, BBA free, and we're going to start mixing in the mix really well. We spent a few minutes mixing in together our dough. Everything's formed well. If it's too dry, help yourself to add a little bit more broth. Or if it's too moist of a batter, don't be afraid to add a little bit extra flour until it feels consistent, and we'll be ready to roll. Now that we have our batter all set and ready to be rolled, don't be afraid to have a bag of flour near you, and make sure to sprinkle it on the mixing board really well so nothing sticks to the board or to the roller. And you can even put some flour on the roller as well. Let's get rolling. I also want to point out, it's gonna feel like when you're rolling it out, it's gonna feel like a pizza dough. It's gonna be very soft, and I'm gonna do about a 1/4 inch thickness for when we're ready to press our cookie cutters in. Let's take a look. About a 1/4 inch. Move into our trays, and then that's when the fork's gonna come in handy. And each biscuit, we're just going to put a little puncture in the middle so it has air and breathing room so it doesn't bubble up for when we're baking. All our cookies are on our baking sheets, and now we're ready to put it in the oven. And depending on your oven, it's going to vary the temperature and the time, but please set for 350, and we're going to cook it for approximately 20 minutes, and we'll check up on it periodically as it bakes. It's been 20 minutes, our cookies are all done, and for even harder cookies, just put them back in the oven, close the doors with the oven turned off for a few hours, and most importantly, the test.